Welcome back, students. Now let us see few identities related to algebraic expressions. The first identity is a plus b the whole square. Then it will be a square plus 2ab. It means 2 into a into b plus b square. Right. Next identity, it is a minus b the whole square. So it will be a square minus 2ab plus b square. Third identity, it is a plus b multiplied by a minus b. It will be a square minus b square. And the fourth identity, it is x plus a multiplied by x plus b. So that will be x square plus a plus b into x plus ab, that is a multiplied by b. These are the four identities, and based on these identities we are going to do few sums. We are going to solve these sums using these identities. I will solve few examples related to all these activities. Right? Different types of examples related to all these activities. Now first of all, let us use identity number 1. Okay, we will be using first of all identity number 1. Now using that identity we will solve this sums. For example, if it is given x plus 3 multiplied by x plus 3. Now we have both the terms same in both the brackets. Right? It means दोनों ब्रैकेट्स एग्जैक्टली द सेम है, तो मैं इन दोनों ब्रैकेट्स के बदले ऐसा भी लिख सकती हूँ. इट इज x प्लस 3 द होल स्क्वायर, बिकॉज देर इज नो चेंज इन बोथ द ब्रैकेट्स. Right, now I will be using first identity. It is a plus b the whole square, means it is x square plus 2 into x into 3 plus 3 square. So that will be x square plus 2 3s are 6 into x means 6x plus 3 square, it is 9. So this is how we use the identities to solve the sums. Now let me give you another example. It is x by 2 plus 3y by 4 the whole square. Again this is related to first identity. So this will be x by 2 the whole square plus 2 into first term into second term, a into b, right? So that will be x by 2 into 3y by 4 plus 3y by 4 the whole square. Now here can we cut this 2 too? Right? So we will be having x square by 4. This 2 is for the whole bracket. So that will be x square by 4 plus 3xy by 4. We have 3y into x in the numerator and 4 in the denominator, and here it will be 9y square by 16. This 2 is also for the whole bracket. So this is our answer. This is how we solve the sums using identities. Okay. Now I will give you one more sum related to this identity. Suppose it is given to us as 71 square. Right. Now can I write this 71 as 70 plus 1 and then I put square on the bracket? Right. Now you can see here we can use the first identity. So that will be 70 square plus 2 into 70 into 1 plus 1 square. 70 square, it is 4900 plus 2 into 70 into 1. So that is 140 plus 1 square is 1. Okay. Now we can add this. So it will be 1, then 4, 0, and here 5. 5041 on adding this digit. So 71 square, we got it as 5041. Right? So this is how we can use these identities. Hope you understood the first identity very well. Thank you.